So what do I think about data structures? Should I ever master data structures? I think, you know, the question about data structures is like a tale as old as time, right? Should everyone master data structures, right? And I think my first answer is no. Like, no one needs to master them, right? I think in tech especially, they are, you know, let's call it spade a spade, primarily used in the elite code style interview questions, right? Which again, elite code style questions are very prominent from what I learned in just North America. Not even North America, sorry, in the Western world, right? In Europe and the UK and Asia, I don't think they do a lot of leak code style questions. I could be wrong, but I know like in America and Canada, leak code is everywhere. Exactly, right? So it's a very specific thing. But even if we don't remove the leak, if we remove the leak code problem, I still think data structures and algorithms are still useful to learn. Still useful to learn even if leak code doesn't exist, right? And I think it's just helpful when you want to build something a little bit more granular, more advanced. This cannot hurt your learning, right? So I truly think learning data structures and algorithms, it's helpful, it's useful, it's learning the theory and computer science aspect of programming better, right? Better. It's kind of the difference between the theorist versus the practical builder, right? Practical builder concept, right? You kind of don't want to min-max too much in one or versus the other spec tree, but you need to kind of have a balance of both. You can be better at one versus the other, but you need to have like kind of that balance, right? And so that's kind of my opinion on that. So I don't think anyone needs to master it, but I think being familiar with each is super helpful and can be useful. That's my honest opinion.